Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to do a top-down analysis approach to the S&P 500. We're going to start with the monthly, and this is brought to you by directionalanalysis.com. Okay, this is the monthly chart. We have bounced against the 200-day moving average. Here, the MACD has come back to its mean pretty much. When it comes back like this, with the moving average comes back to the signal line, usually that's when it starts rolling over again, and that's because the movement here was so strong, so fast, and so much volume that I don't think that this is the turnaround like it was back here. I don't think this is going to be a V-shaped recovery. Also, if you see on the CCI, you can start to see a little bit of rollover, but again, even though we're in the middle of the month, this is also the beginning of the week, so we will see what happens. Moving on to the weekly, we're starting to see that this is now the second week. They're starting to roll over. We can see on the Williams percent starting to roll over. This is more like a leading indicator. The MACD, you can see they're starting to roll over a little bit, but the better tell here is going to be the histogram, where you see divergence in this area right here. Also the stochastic, which is also a leading indicator. You'll see the moving averages starting to cross. Also here I want to tell you guys my first target. Of course, this is weekly, and we are gonna have to see some follow through. Probably I'm looking at a 920 for my first target for the S&P. And you can also see that there's a lot of support in this area, here and here. So we will see what happens. Also, moving on to the daily. On the daily, I want to show you guys this is the rising wedge over here where we were following before. What concerns me is that we have created in a longer term a bigger rising wedge, which also is gonna probably take out my longer term target, which was somewhere right here testing the lows. If this follows through, it breaks down, and we have enough volume and so on and so forth, we probably gonna be seeing a lot lower lows than this March. Here in the moving averages, we can see slightly of a divergence from here to here. You can see it's very small of a you can barely see. You can I can tell you the numbers, but just gonna have to trust me on this one. Also the histogram, you can see better the histogram here compared to the histogram over here, and you can see negative outflow. Here's the stochastic is one of a stronger tells, and the ADX also the crossover of the positive and negative. Alright, well, we'll see a little bit more what happens the rest of the week, so stay tuned. This is directionalanalysis.com.